Imagine stepping onto a vintage airplane and finding a loyal dog curled up beside the pilot. Throughout aviation history, dogs have served as mascots and cherished crew companions. During World War II, a dog named Judy flew with the Royal Air Force, surviving crashes and even becoming a prisoner of war. Her bravery lifted the spirits of the crew and saved lives. Canine mascots like Judy provided comfort, boosted morale, and became symbols of hope, proving that even in the skies, the bond between humans and dogs knows no bounds.